How to enable Meta AI chat on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can do this quick and easy. Now, in able to go ahead and get the Meta AI feature on your Messenger, you first want to navigate through the application manager on your phone or the application downloader. Since I'm using iPhone or Apple, I'll go ahead and open up App Store. If you're using your Android, you want to head over to Play Store. From here, you then want to search for Messenger, and once inside, you want to make sure that your Messenger application is up to date because this is one of the newest feature Messenger has released. So in order to get Meta AI, you first need to have your application updated. From there, you can just go ahead and open up the application Messenger, head over to a conversation, and once inside, it will basically automatically enable it if the application is updated. Go ahead and type @Meta AI and you will be able to go ahead and get Meta AI on your Messenger application. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.